Hello and welcome to another video here on Humble Unboxing. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Dr. Bronner's natural soap in the flavor or the scent peppermint. I'm very curious for that. I bought a couple of products on drbronner.ch, which is the Swiss website where you can buy these products from if you're in Switzerland. And you can also buy these products, of course, in your own country's Dr. Bronner shop, or on Amazon, or in a store like Walmart, Target, depending on where you are from. Alright, let's get into it. I got 6 different products and they arrived in this box, and let's get out the soap. The product that I was talking about says here Dr. Bronner's all-one peppermint, like straight natural soap. It's fair trade certified and well, made from like straight biological oils, like fair trade. Also, great thing. This is what the package looks from the front. It's 140 grams, which is, I don't know how much that is in the imperial system. Yeah, not an expert. And then, well, it says on top here, family tradition since 1858. Let's look at the sides. It says here, not sure what the 2059 is, but all one. The top is, what is that? Is that the ingredients? No, just some, I don't know, something about God and faith. Very interesting. This one, again, all one. And then this side is the ingredients. Oh no, it isn't. No. I think it's not. No, it just tells you what's inside. 100% biological, vegan, well, like solids and liquids, peppermint, lavender, rose, eucalyptus, almond, tea tree. Oh, those are the, oh yeah, those are the different flavors that you can get. All of this is the peppermint flavor, like scent. Oh, there are the ingredients. I didn't even see. Right below the white stuff here, it says ingredients: sodium, cocoate, and all the rest. You can also find those on the website. And then the back, we can see it's vegan, fair trade, and then a bit of an explanation about who or what Dr. Bronner's is, and that also this paper is recycled paper. It feels very feels of good quality. I'm not going to open the soap now, but what I can tell you is that it, let me have a smell. It smells a lot like peppermint, like strong. I opened this package and it smelled like strong peppermint. I'm very curious to use it on my body. I'm gonna be a walking peppermint leaf for sure. And I can see here that you can keep this product for 24 months before it kind of, let's say, goes bad, although it doesn't quickly go bad even if you yeah, keep it well. I've read some tips online on Amazon that you should keep it in a dry environment for a while before using it, so the soap can get even harder and last you even longer. Alright, well, that was it from me. That was unboxing the Dr. Bronner's all-one peppermint natural soap. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, consider leaving this video a like and also subscribing to this channel. Go check out my channel for other videos on technical stuff, on Dr. Bronner's stuff. I do a lot of different unboxing, also clothes and shoes and much more. Hope you enjoyed, have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.